Thank you for your comment and a question about timings and how long things will take. So, if you're talking about the ACAS early conciliation process, then ACAS only have 6 weeks in which they can help you with the conciliation process. So, at the end of the 6 weeks, they automatically issue you with a certificate. Now, you can, of course, continue to use ACAS's services after 6 weeks. It's just that they have to issue that certificate then. If you're talking about the employment tribunal process, this very much depends on both the type of claim you have and where you are in the UK, because the timings for tribunals dealing with cases varies around the country depending on resources and the number of cases they have in. But what I can say is that typically most cases will not be completed within 18 months. So even with the most straightforward unfair dismissal case, we're seeing it could be up to 18 months before it's listed for the employment tribunal. And in some cases, things like discrimination or more complex cases, they can take upwards of 2 years. So it isn't a quick process if you do have to pursue a claim in the employment tribunal. Hopefully this has answered your question about timings, but if you do have any other questions or I haven't answered it correctly for you and you have some other questions, do put them in the comments.